Hey guys, I hope you're all doing super well. So I'm very excited to show you the entire Sugar Rush collection in this video. If you don't know, or if you haven't heard about Sugar Rush, basically it's a new sister brand that Tarte is coming out with, and it's coming out tomorrow, Sunday morning. So I wanted to get this video out for you guys as soon as possible. I actually had the opportunity to go to the Sugar Rush launch event in LA this week. I went with my friend Valentina. She invited me and she's wonderful. I'm gonna link her Instagram right here, and we were actually gifted the entire launch collection. So I thought I would make a video for you guys showing you all the products, swatching everything, all that fun stuff. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to jump right into this because there's a lot of stuff I'm going to show you guys, and I don't want this video to be excessively long, but I've split the products up by category. So Sugar Rush has a few different categories. You have body products, you have skincare products, and then you have makeup and like a couple little tools. So I'm going to go ahead and show you everything. Starting with the body products. So these, if you like sweet scents, you are going to die. You're gonna love these products. So first up, I have this cake butter, and it's just a whipped body butter. I'm really bad at explaining fragrances, but it's called cake butter, so I think it's supposed to smell like cake. To me, it's like a little sweeter than cake. I would describe it more as like cotton candy. This also comes in a travel size, so like a little tube. But this is a really good size. This is 10.58 ounces, and this would definitely last me at least a couple months. It's a good size. Next up, they have a body mist. This is called Sugar Spritz, and this one is slightly different from cake butter. I think cake butter is a little bit less like intense. It's like sweet, but it's not like super perfumey. And this one, obviously, since it's a body mist, is a little bit more perfumey, but it's still like very sugary and cotton candy. I can't say that, cotton candy-y. Okay, next up, skincare. We have this squeezy clean face wash, and I actually haven't opened this one yet, so I don't even know what it smells like. I don't know the texture, so we're about to find out. Okay, so it's a gel cleanser. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it's citrusy. This reminds me of like lemon meringue pie. Okay, next up, I have this Don't Hate Hydrate Oil-Free Moisturizer. I love the packaging for this one. It's so fun. Again, I don't know what this texture is like, so we're about to find out. Okay, so this is like a gel moisturizer, I want to say. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of my Belief Aqua Bomb moisturizer. It's like a gel water-based thing, so it's not like a heavy cream. I really like this. I'm excited to try it. The smell is a little different from the rest of the products. I like it though. It's not like sugary like the other ones are. This one's like more like skin product-y, so like more like herbal. Okay, last skincare thing I have. It's this Treat Yo Selfie. It's actually called Treat Yo Selfie drying solution, and I haven't tried this yet, but I think this is like the Mario Badescu, I probably said that wrong, the drying solution, where the instructions are just like you take a cotton swab and dip it all the way to the bottom, and then you apply it like on any blemish you may have. So I think it's that same concept where it just dries out like any blemishes. I've never used the Mario Badescu product, so I'm excited to try this because it's just like a new category for me. It's something I've never used before. Before I move on to tools and all the makeup, I have one more body thing I forgot to mention at the beginning, and this is actually, I think, one of my favorite products from the entire line. It's their Vacay Day Rollerball fragrance, and this smells so good. So I'm actually not a huge fan of like sweet scents. I think I like more like natural scents, like floral or like essential oils. Like I tend to lean more towards like even like spicy scents rather than sweet and like candy-ish. So this, I realize I haven't even said what it smells like. I'm sorry, I'm rambling. It actually smells exactly like a vacation day. Jeremy smelled it and he was like, that smells like sunscreen. And I was like, yeah, you're right, but it smells like a really good sunscreen combined with like a day at the beach with like a pina colada in your hand. It doesn't smell like pineapple. It just smells like, it smells like beachy. And it reminds me of home, which is probably why I like it a lot, but I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot. Okay, moving on to tools. I have this super cute brush set, and this is one of my favorite products in the line as well. This is their Desert Dreamers brush set. You guys, look at the handles. Can we talk about this? They're cacti! Ah! They're so cute. I actually haven't taken these out of the box, so we're about to find out. Okay, yeah, this is precious. So it comes with a little eye brush. So cute. This is like an angled contour brush, And then this one I would use as like a blush brush or maybe even for like highlight. I imagine these are going to be like a little hard to store, but that's okay because they're so cute. Then I have a really cute eyelash curler. This is pretty simple. It's just gold and then it has their little diamond logo as the handles. Last tool in this collection, and I think this is super cute. It's a facial cleansing brush. On one side it has like a rubber like little scrubbing side, and then this is a softer brush side. I don't know what you would clean with this. I feel like it's almost like a makeup brush, so it could be a makeup brush. I would have to do more research on this, but it is called a cleansing brush. Okay, we're moving on to makeup. These two products I'm really excited for because I've really been digging this product. So these are two, they're called Beach Cheeks and they're cream blushes. I'm obsessed with the packaging for all of these things. These are little seashells and they're adorable. So this first shade on the left is called Beaches and Cream. So it's a nice peachy color. The consistency is very opaque, I want to say. It's not matte at all, and I feel like it's like very, you build up. It's very sheer, it's not too dark. So the second shade is more of a nude color and it's called Beach Cheeks. I will probably lean more towards this shade because I feel like it'll go with almost any makeup look that you do, just because like it's more nude color. Okay, this one's a little less sheer. Okay, that's what they look like side by side. This is Beaches and Cream over here, and then this is Beach Cheeks. Okay, up next, so eye products, they have actually two different palettes. I realized once I got home that I didn't grab one of the palettes, so I only have one of them. And this one, I don't know their names. I think it's like, it just has sunglasses on it. The sunglasses palette. And then the other one I didn't grab is actually super cute and it's shaped like a little watermelon slice. But this is what the sunglasses palette looks like. I like this palette a lot. I feel like it's super versatile. It has like a couple neutral colors and then like a little darker browns that you can put in your crease if you're going for a natural eye. And then I like that it has like two crazier colors in case you want to like add accents or like amp it up for nighttime. Actually, I will swatch these for you guys. Okay, here is the top row from the palette. Starting over here, this is Lemonade. Summer Love is this second one. Spring Break is this brown color. And then Pool Party is this last one. And this is just like one swipe, dry finger. So I'm impressed with the pigmentation so far. Okay, second row. Clearly I'm not a swatch expert. Oh my gosh, Festival is so pretty. This is called Festival. And I think that's one of my favorite shades. It's like super glittery. That's gonna look super cute on. The second one is called Stunna. It's like a brick. It's like a glittery brick, I want to say. And then Pool Hop right here is this darker brick color. And last but not least, we have Retro. Whoa, that's not focused. Excuse me. Sorry, my camera just like gave up on focusing. I was saying this last one is a darker brown. It's called Retro. What is going on? Up next, they have an eyeliner pencil, actually. This is called Preppy. Okay, it's just one of the ones you twist up. Let's swatch. Wow. Okay, it's very pigmented. I pressed way too hard. I feel like I can't really give a lot of opinion on eyeliner because I never wear eyeliner, but I like that it's a twist up because you don't have to sharpen it. It seems like it'll stay sharp forever because it's so small. So I really like this too. All right, moving on to the last and my personal favorite section, lip products. We actually have a good amount of products in this category. They have 4 liquid lipsticks, 3 lip glosses, and 1 lip butter balm. This is called the Best Bud. Get it? Because it's a flower. That's so cute. The Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. And it's just, why do I always have to smell things? First thing I do is smell things. Oh, this smells so good. It's a sweet scent, but it's the kind of sweet scent I like. I think it reminds me of like cocoa butter. Yes, that's it. There's probably cocoa butter in here. Duh. But it's a sheer pink. You can probably wear this and look like you're not wearing makeup. I think that's the whole point. It's a butter balm. Okay. And then the liquid lipsticks. So these are all like nude colors. I'm not going to swatch them on my hand because I think that's weird. I'll swatch them on my lips and then I'll just insert clips as I talk about them. Oh wait, I didn't even say what the product's called. It's called the Sugar Coat Velvet Liquid Lipstick. And we have 4 shades. So first up, we have Cupcake. So Cupcake, and I'm sure we'll know more once I swatch them. It looks like a darker nude color. Oh, I forgot, I'm gonna insert clips, so I need to talk a little bit more. This is Cupcake. They smell very familiar. I can't remember what Kylie's lip kits smell like, but I feel like they're a little cupcakey. Am I right? Can someone let me know in the comments if they are? Because if so, I think I don't have any Kylie lip kit things. My sister has some and I've smelled them, so I think that's what it reminds me of. I'm not sure, but it's sweet and it smells like sugar or frosting. It smells like frosting. Next up, we have Cake Pop, and Cake Pop is a little bit like pinkier. It's still a nude color, I want to say, but it's like more pink. Then we have this next one. It's called Frosting. And this is also, surprise, a nude, but I think this one is like a little bit more orangey, more coral or brick colored, I want to say. Again, I'll know more once I swatch them on my lips, but for now, I'm trying to explain as best as I can. And last but not least, we have Sprinkle, and Sprinkle I think is going to be my personal favorite because I'm not like a huge fan of nude lip colors. I go for darker colors, and this reminds me of actually like an Ofra liquid lipstick I have. I can't remember the name. It's like one of the Miami ones, and it's very pretty. So it's like a mauve-y nude, I want to say. It's like a darker color for sure. Okay, so I've saved my personal favorite product out of all this line for last. So these, I believe, are called, I read it at the event, but I forgot to take like a sheet with all the information, which I should have, but these are their lip oils. Actually, you know what? I'm confused now. These may not be part of the Sugar Rush collection. They might just be plain Tarte because, oh, okay, I'm taking that back. I'm not going to say plain Tarte. Like, Tarte's not great. I love Tarte. But they say Tarte on them, so they might not be part of the Sugar Rush collection. But now that I've hyped them up this much, I'm still going to talk about them. So these come in 3 different colors. So first up, we have Cherry Slush, we have Dragon Fruit, and we have Fresh Pressed. So these are like lip glosses, I want to say, but the texture on the lips is just so different, and I'm obsessed with them. It's not sticky at all. It feels very lightweight, and it just makes your lips look like super juicy, which I guess is appropriate because all the shade names or the flavors are like juice themed. I really, really, really love these products. If you're gonna pick something up, even though it's technically not part of the collection, dang it, I'm so confused. This is probably not Sugar Rush, it's Tarte for sure. But I love these a lot. I'm sorry if the video just cut. I just choked. I was sick for a while and I'm finally feeling better, but my throat's still not cooperating, so. Anyway, I feel like this is a weird way to end this video now that I'm like, wait, these might not be part of the Sugar Rush collection, but I'm talking about them anyway because they're so great. Okay, reeling it back to Sugar Rush, which is what this video is about. Overall, I really like this collection. I'm very excited for it. It's very colorful and I feel like fresh and different. I feel like the vibe is very like social media, like younger demographic, which is what they're going for, and I really like that it's cheaper too. I think if you're looking for a more affordable version of like a good brand that's cruelty free, like Tarte, this is a really good alternative, so I'm excited for all of this to come out. Get this, the vacay day, you will thank me because it smells so good, and I think it might be my favorite product out of this line now that I think the lip oils are technically Tarte and not Sugar Rush. But what are you gonna do? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more review type videos on my channel, make sure you leave me a thumbs up down below. Otherwise, let me know what kind of videos you want to see next down in the comment section. If you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this and want to see more of my videos, make sure you subscribe down below before you go. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you bunches. I send a million kisses your way. Mwah. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!